Article 78 of the Indian Constitution specifies the duties of the Prime Minister of India. He acts as a link between the President and Cabinet while discharging his duties. Article 75 of the Indian Constitution envisages that there will be a Prime Minister who shall be appointed by the President of India. Prime Minister is the leader of the Cabinet Ministers. The main executive powers of the government are vested on the Prime Minister, while the President is the nominal head of the state. Prime Minister of India determines the dates of its meetings and programs for the parliament sessions. He also decides when the House has to be prorogued or dissolved. As a chief spokesman, he makes the announcement of principal government policies and answers questions on them. Prime Minister recommends President regarding the appointment of many officers. He allocates and reshuffles various portfolios among ministers. He presides over the meeting of the Council of Ministers and influences their decision. The Prime Minister can ask any member to resign or recommend the President to remove any minister. Here is the list of all the Prime Ministers after 1947. Number 1. The first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on 14th November 1889 and died at the age of 74 years 6 months on 27th May 1964. He was the longest serving Prime Minister of India and first to die in office. He served as Prime Minister for 16 years and 286 days. He had begun his service on 15th August 1947 and ended on 27th May 1964. Number 2. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, who was born on 4th July 1898, was given charge as an acting Prime Minister of India for 13 days. He started his service on 27th May 1964 and ended on 9th June 1964. He was the first acting Prime Minister of India. He died on 15th January 1998. Number 3. Thereafter, Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was born on 2nd October 1904 and died at the age of 61 years 3 months and 9 days on 11th January 1966. His service was from 9th June to 11th January 1966. His service lasted for 1 year and 216 days. He has given the slogan of Jai Jawan Jai Kisan during Indo-Pak War of 1965. Number 4. Here came the First Lady Prime Minister of India named Indira Gandhi. She was born on 19th November 1917 and died on 31st October 1984 at the age of 66 years 11 months and 12 days, which can be considered as 67 years. She served as Prime Minister of India from 24th January 1966 to 24th March 1977 for 11 years 59 days. Number 5. Then the oldest man to become Prime Minister of India at the age of 81 was Morarji Desai, born on 29th February 1896 and died on 10th April 1995, aged 99 years 1 month. He started giving service to the people of India as Prime Minister from 24th March 1977 to 28th July 1979 for 2 years 116 days. He was the first Prime Minister to resign from the office. Number 6. When Morarji Desai resigned, Charan Singh became the Prime Minister of India. He was born on 23rd December 1902 and died on 29th May 1987. He lived for 84 years 5 months and 6 days. He started his service from 28th July 1979 to 14th January 1980 for 170 days. He was the only Prime Minister who did not face the Parliament. Number 7. Indira Gandhi was the first lady to become Prime Minister of India for the second time. Her second term of office was from 14th January 1980 to 31st October 1984 for 4 years 291 days. Number 8. After the second term of Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi took the seat of Prime Minister on 31st October 1984. to 2nd December 1989 for 5 years and 32 days. He was the youngest person to become Prime Minister of India at the age of 40. He was born on 20th August 1944 and died on 21st May 1991 at the age of 46 years, 9 months and 1 day. Number 9. After the tenure of Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh became the Prime Minister of India on 2nd December 1989. He served till 10th November 1990 for 343 days. He was born on 25th June 1931 and died on 27th November 2008 at the age of 77 years, 5 months and 2 days. Number 10. The next Prime Minister was Chandrasekhar, who was born on 1st July 1927 and died on 8th July 2007. He lived for 80 years and 7 days. He became Prime Minister of India on 10th November 1990. His service ended on 21st June 1991. He served the people of India as Prime Minister for 223 days. Number 11. P.V. Narasimha Rao was the next Prime Minister of India. Born on 28 June 1921 and died on 23 December 2004 at the age of 83 years, 5 months and 25 days. He was the Prime Minister from 21st June 1991 to 16th May 1996 for 4 years and 330 days. He was the first Prime Minister from South India. Number 12. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was born on 25th December 1924 and died on 16th August 2018. He lived for 93 years, 7 months and 22 days. He became Prime Minister for 16 days on 16th May 1996 to 1st June 1996. He was the Prime Minister for shortest tenure in his first term. Number 13. After this short tenure, S.D. Devgowda became the Prime Minister for 324 days on 1st June 1996 to 21st April 1997. He was born on 18th May 1933. Number 14. Indra Kumar Gujral took the seat of Prime Minister on 21st April 1997. He left the seat on 19th March 1998. He was Prime Minister for 332 days. He was born on 4th December 1919 and died on 30th November 2012 after living 92 years, 11 months and 25 days. Number 15. Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister for the second time for 6 years and 64 days. He became Prime Minister for the second time on 19th March 1998. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister who completed a full term as Prime Minister on 22nd May 2004. Number 16. The first Sikh Prime Minister of India is Manmohan Singh, born on 26th September 1932. He was Prime Minister for 10 years, 4 months and 2 days, from 22nd May 2004 to 26th May 2014. Number 17. It was 26th May 2014. Narendra Modi sworn in as Prime Minister of India. He is born on 17th September 1950. He is the fourth Prime Minister of India to serve 2 consecutive tenures. He is the first non-Congress Party Prime Minister of India who would complete 2 consecutive terms.